Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add icons in Google Slides step by step in 2026 so you can make your presentations more visual, modern, and easier to understand. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to google.com. Click on the sign in button in the top right corner, then enter your email address and password to log into your Google account. After signing in, click on the Google Apps grid icon and choose Google Slides. Once Google Slides opens, you can select an existing presentation or click the plus icon to create a new blank presentation. Wait for the slide to load completely before adding any elements. To add icons using built-in tools, go to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Image. From here, you can select Search the Web. In the search panel, type the name of the icon you need, such as Settings, Email, Checkmark, or User. Choose a simple, flat style icon and click Insert to add it to your slide. After inserting the icon, resize it by dragging the corner handles. Hold the Shift key while resizing to keep the icon proportional. You can move the icon anywhere on the slide and align it with text or other elements. To change the icon color, first make sure the icon supports color editing. If it's an SVG style icon, select it, then click the Fill Color option in the toolbar and choose a color that matches your slide design. Minimal colors work best for professional presentations. You can also add icons from external websites, download icon files in PNG or SVG format from trusted icon libraries, then go back to Google Slides, click Insert, choose Image, and upload the icon from your computer or Google Drive. For better layout, select the icon and text together, click Arrange, then use Align options to keep everything clean and balanced. Consistent spacing and alignment make your slides look more polished. Avoid adding too many icons on one slide. Use icons only to support your message, not distract from it. Simple and clear visuals work best. Once finished, review your slides to ensure icons are properly sized, aligned, and visually consistent. That's how to add icons in Google Slides step by step in 2026. Icons help communicate ideas faster and make your presentations more engaging. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next full guide.